Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Srimad Bhagavata Skanda 10, chapter 15, slokas 1 to 46 are condensed in the 53rd Dasaga of Narayaniya, which is Dhenugasura Vadha, and which we are going to chant here. Dhenuka, also known as Dhenugasura, was a Rakshasa killed by Balarama, the elder brother of Krishna. Dhenuka, with his host of attendant demons, all in the form of jackals, as ruled over a forest of thala, that is palm trees, situated on the banks of the Yamuna river north of Mount Govardhana. Once Balarama and Krishna and cowherds wandered into this forest, captivated by the fragrance of the fruits of the palm trees. When Krishna commented on the possible sweet taste of the fruit, Balarama shook the trees and the fruits fell on the ground. Annoyed, Dhenukasura charged at Balarama, hit him and kicked him with his legs. Balarama caught hold of the Dhenuka's legs and whirled him towards a tree, shattering his chest, neck and waist as the tree fell with the demon. Balarama thus killed Dhenuka demon and the attendants also, and set the forest open for the cowherds to enjoy. Now we will see the slokas of this Dasaga 53 of Narayaniya. Aditya-valyam jagadambade tvam ubetya paugandavayo manojñam ubekshya valsavanamulsavena pravartatha goganapalanayam. O Prabhu, having passed childhood, though attained the charming age of boyhood, Paugandavaya, that is boyhood age, which is from 6 to 10 years. Then, Hare, you gave up tending of the calves and enthusiastically promoted to herding cows and cattle. Upakramasyanyagunaiva seyam marutpuradhisha tava pravrittihi gotra paritrana krideva dirnaha tadeva devarabhathastadayad. This occupation that you took up was the fit and proper beginning for the work which lay ahead. Hare Guruvayurappa, thy incarnation was for the protection of Gotra, that is the earth, and tending Gotras, here it is the cows, was the first step towards that end. Kadabhiramena samam vanande vanasriyam vichya charan sukhena Sridama namra swasakhasya vaja modadaga dhenugagananam tvam. Once with Balram, as you were happily roaming about in the woods and admiring the beauty of the woods, on your friend Sudama's suggestion, you enthusiastically entered the Dhenuka forest. Uttalataleeniva hetvaduktya balena dhudedha balena dorbhyam pridukharaschabhyabadal purastad phalotkaro dhenugadanavovi. At thy words, Balaram shook the cluster of tall palm trees with the force of both his strong arms. A bunch of soft and ripe and hard and unripe fruits also fell in front of thee. Just then the demon Dhenukasura in the form of a donkey also appeared. समुद्यतो धैनुकपालनेहं कथं वदं धैनुकमद्य कुर्वे इतीव मत्वा ध्रुवमग्रजेन सुरौघयोद्धारमजीघनस्त्वम्. I am engaged in protecting the cows, that is Dhenukas. How can I now kill the Dhenuka Asura here? And thus interrupting, as it were, though made Balram, your elder brother, kill Dhenukasura, who was the enemy of the gods. तदीयभृत्यानभिजम्बुगस्त्वेनोपागदानग्रज संयुधस्त्वं जम्बूफलानीव तदा निरास्तः तालेषु खेलन् भगवन्निरास्तः. Dhenukasura's servants had also come in the form of jackals. Oh, Hare, you and your elder brother, as if in a mere play, smashed them effortlessly against the palm trees as though they were mere blackberries. Vinignadi tvayyada jambugaukham सनामगत्वादरुणास्तदानीं भयाकुलो जम्बुकनामधेयं श्रुतिप्रसिद्धं व्यदितेति मन्ये. Then, when they were killing the pack of jackals, Jambuka, that is Varuna, the water god, whose name is famous in the Vedas as Jambuka, hid it in the Vedas only for the fear of being killed. I believe, Bhattacharya says, that is the reason that Varuna's name as Jambuka is not popularly known. That is, Jambuka is another name of Varuna. This name mentioned we find only in Vedas. And this name of Varuna, that is Jambuka, is not used anywhere else. Here, Sri Bhattacharya apprehends that due to the killing of Jambukas, that is the associates of Dhenukasura, out of fear, maybe Varuna hid that name of his Jambuka from the public. तवावतारस्य फलं मुरारे सञ्जातमध्येदि सुरैर्नुदस्त्वं सत्यं फलं जातमिहेदिहासि बालैः समं तालफलान्यपुङ्क्ताः. हरे मुरारे, thy gods praised thee, saying that the fruit of thy incarnation has now appeared. Hey, laughingly, you said that indeed the fruits of the palm trees have been come now, and saying that you ate the fruits with the boys. Madhudravassundi brhandidani phalani modhabharabhrindi bhuktva triptaischa driptair bhavanam phalaukham vahadviragaha khalu balagaistvam. You ate the nectar like juice, dripping honey and fleshy fruits with the boys to thy heart's content. Fully satisfied and triumphant, you return to the house carrying long loads of such fruits. Hado hado dhenuga ityubetya balanyadadbhirmadurani lokaihi jayedi jivedi nudo vibhotvam marutpuradishwara pahirogad. Oh omnipresent and omnipotent Lord, the people approached thee, cheering that Dhenukasura was killed. They praised thee, saying, "Victory to thee, may thou live long," as they ate the sweet fruits. Hey Guru Ayyappa, do save me from my ailments. We are concluding this Dasaka 53 with this sloka after Sati Suresh's bhajan song.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् अदसि पुष्पसङ्काशं हारनूपुरशोभितं रत्नकङ्कणकेयूरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् मन्दारगन्धसंयुक्तं चारुहासं चतुर्भुजं बर्हि पिञ्चवचूडाङ्गं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं महोरस्कं वनमालाविराजितं शङ्खचक्रधरं देवं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्